Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor website design course video series. In the previous videos, I have shown you how you can create home page, template for the single post, blog page, and we also created a template for the contact form. Now, in this video, we are going to work on the animations. So let's go to the home page and we are on the customization for the home page. This is the top section. This is the slider that we created in the previous video. And I do not think we need animation for this slider. However, if you want animation for the entire section, you can simply select this section and go to Advanced tab, go to Motion Effect, and you will see the entrance animation for this entire section. So you will see a drop down here. You can use fade in, fade down, fade in left, fade in right, zoom in, zoom out, then bounce in. So all these animation effects can be used. So let's say I want to use fade in. So you will see the effect here, fade in. You can make it fast, slow, or normal. This is going to be a slow one. So this is the animation for the top section. Let's go to the second section here and let's go to Advanced, Motion Effect, Entrance Animation, and for this one I'm going to use, let's say, zoom in. So you will see zoom in effect for the entire section here. Now instead of using animation for the entire section, you can also select the elements one by one. For example, I want animation for this title, so I can select the title, go to Advanced, Motion Effect, go to Entrance Animation, and let's use slide in right. So you will see the animation sliding in from the right side or from the left side, from up, down. Or you can also use rotate from the right. Let's use the slide in left, and let's go to this column and go to Animation, Motion Effect, Entrance Animation. I want it sliding up. This will be fast. Let's go to the second one, and for this one we are going to use medium or the normal speed, the same animation but normal speed. And for this one we are going to use slow. So all these three columns will come one by one. Let's make it slow. Let's publish it. Let's go to the website, refresh it. You will see the effect for this slider. Now I'm going to scroll down and the three columns will come one by one like this. So we have different speed for all these three columns. Right now let's move down. Let's select this column. We will use a different animation for this one. Let's try bounce in. For this one, let's use another one. I just want to show you what are the types of animations that you can use. Let's use bounce in down. And for this one, let's use bounce in up. All right, let's move down. Now we have two columns here. I want one from the right hand side and one from the left hand side. So select this one, the column. And for this one, let's use this one, rotate in down left. Let's go to the second column, rotate in down right. All right, now let's select this title and change the animation for this one. We are going to use a different animation for this title. Let's use bounce. Now let's try another one. Light speed in, roll in. Let's use light speed in and let's make it slow. For the content, we are going to use another animation. Let's use this one, rubber band. This is shake. head shake. Then we have tada, a wobble, 𝗟𝗓𝗞𝗘. All right, let's use this one, 𝗟𝗓𝗞𝗘, and speed will be slow. Let's publish it. Let's go back, refresh it. Scroll down. This is the first column, second services row. All the three columns are using different animation. You will see all the animations here. This one was wobbling, this one was speed, light speed in. Let's go down. Let's select the entire section, and for this entire section we are going to change the animation. This is a flash, pulse. Then we have a roll in. All right, this one also looks good. Select the heading, and for this one let's use slide in left or bounce in left. Let's make it right, and for this button we are going to use left. Let's go to the next section. All right, these are the articles. Let's publish it. Let's go back, refresh it, scroll down. So we have too much animation on the home page. I just wanted to show you how you can use the animation. You can also use the animations on the single post or the blog page template. You can simply go to the template that we created for the single post and the blog page, and for each section or for each element you can use different animation. I'll suggest you not to use animation for all the sections, or use less animation on your website so that the speed of your website will not reduce. Now in the next video, we are going to create a single page template using the theme builder, and we are going to create a page for the website.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section, and press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.